welcome back to my channel. And this video is particularly inspired by a celebrity. From the title, you would have known that it is Nayanthara inspired makeup look from the movie Viswasam. I tried doing it. I think I have done a little justice to the look. I cannot do as similar to that, but I've tried it to my level best. I hope you will like it. So let's see how I created this look. So this is the look I have taken the inspiration from, and let's start the video. So before that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to it so that you'll not miss any of my video. To start off with, I'm using Colorbar's illuminating lotion for a radiant look. Next, I'm using Lakme's Blur Perfect primer. Then with the continuation, I'm using PAC's foundation. This is a dewy foundation, so for which always she has a very dewy skin, and most of her makeup I could see that she doesn't have a high coverage at all, so you can see her skin through. That is her marks, black spots and all, you can see it generally in her all her makeup looks. So I'm just keeping it very light, and for concealing I'm using Age Rewine's concealer, and I'm going to highlight the usual parts, and I'm going to blend it with a beauty blender. So I always adore her makeup because it is very natural and very bold eyes. Now I'm going to contour, though she doesn't have any much contour in the particular picture, but my face is quite chubby than hers, so I'm going to contour it slightly to give the dimension which she has. And I'm going to contour my lower jawline also to hide my double chin, and I'm going to blend it well using a brush. And as I said, her makeup is always awesome, and she has a very bold eyes. And I'm going to use this Wet n Wild's contouring palette brown color, and I'm going to blend it, diffuse the color using the sponge. And I'm going to reverse contour, that is, I'm going to apply a little concealer underneath the contour as to give a very good sculpted look. This will ensure that the look has got a very more chiseled contouring. To set everything in place, I'm using Fit Me loose powder from Maybelline. I'm going to set only the places where I've concealed, not the entire face, as I want some glowiness. Next, for eyebrows, I'm just going to comb it using a spoolie, and you can see that her eyebrows are very thick and very short, and usually in all the pictures. So I'm just going to overdraw my eyebrows with a brown pencil. You can very well see that her brows are filled with brown color. So I'm going to do the same technique here. I'm just overdrawing it, and I'm going to comb it with the spoolie to spread out the color evenly. For the eye look, I'm going to use the Scandalize pencil in Bad Girl Bronze. This is a bronze stick, and I'm just going to have a smoky, browny smoky eye, and I draw the base, and I'm just spread it with the finger. Next, I'm going to take this bronze color, and you can use any bronze color for this, browny bronze color with this coppery red color. I'm going to mix, though in the picture you cannot see the exact eye makeup, but as far as I've seen, she has got a mixture of both brown shimmer and bronzy shimmer. So I'm going to smoke it out. It's a usual smoky eye, and I'm going to draw the kajal, upper lash line, using Nike IM kajal. I'm going to smudge it out as usual. It is a brown smoky eye. Same procedure follows for this also, and I'm going to draw the lower waterline lash line also, and I'm going to smudge it out. This is my go-to look, so I usually do this kind of bronzy or brown smoky eye for my regular routine. I've smudged it out, and I'm going to take the same brown and copper color, and I mixed both the colors, and I'm going to diffuse the color for the lower lash line to give the smoky effect. Next, I'm going to curl up my eyelashes using a curler, and I'm going to give a very good coat of mascara. This is from Big Shot mascara from Maybelline, but she has a very good like double coated mascara, and I'm going to give this. I have handed the mascara for the lower lash line also, for the lower lashes also, but I could not get the footage here. But you just ignore the black mark there. I will just clear it up. To finish off the look, I'm going to use Maybelline's Superstay Matting Pink color, and with this the look is over, and it is very easy to create. I forgot to highlight my brow bone, and in a corner I'm doing the same using the same palette, and this is the look. It is very easy to create. You can use it for any daytime party look or any occasions. You can wear this look. Not only for occasions, you can wear it for everyday also. I'll attach the clip after shortly. And so this is the look I've created. I hope I made a little justice to the look, and I've topped up with a bindi and jhumkas and all other stuffs, and this is the look. So you can just wear it for outside also. So this is the example for the look. The same look has been paired with the other dress.